YouTube, welcome back to another episode on my YouTube channel. So today we'll be going through how to evade Windows malware detection system. Let's say you are a penetration tester and you want to actually exploit the system. The thing now is, let's say you use Metasploit to create a payload. Eventually, it will get detected by the latest Windows Defender in Windows operating system. So TrustedSec has come up with this thing called Unicorn. It's in their GitHub repository. So this is a PowerShell attack method used to actually evade antivirus systems. Basically, it's Windows detection system. So it's really cool the way they process this, and I've literally come up with this post where you actually can exploit. Let's say you send it to a client, like a victim, and you hide a PowerShell script inside a document saying that it's a Word document, but it's not actually. So let's see how do we actually spoof file systems, let's say file type systems, to actually trick users to run PowerShell commands. So I'm gonna get this repository on my machine. So I've already git clone it. So you have to run this to unicorn.py, and as you can see here, there's an PS example. So we'll be using this. Okay, so Python unicorn.py Windows interpreter reverse underscore HTTPS and our IP and 443 for HTTPS and let it run. Okay, meanwhile, let's take a look at this particular GitHub repository. I'll be posting this in my comment section. So this is a repo where it keeps the icons of the most commonly used application in Windows 10 and Windows 7. Let's say like we'll be using xoffice document.png. Okay, so it's literally like this. This is the most commonly used icon for Word documents. So we're gonna spoof our PowerShell script saying that it's a Word document. Okay, so let's see whether it actually generated the PowerShell code. Okay, so it has actually saved the PowerShell code in a file called okay, I think something is wrong over here. Is it? Yeah. If I can type. Okay, it's reverse underscore HTTPS. Okay, let me run again. Okay, this was on the icons, and this tool is an interesting tool where it can actually convert PAT file script to an exe. So we'll be converting our PowerShell script to exe format to be able to run in a Windows machine. So I have actually downloaded and installed it in my Windows machine. Okay, so let's take a look, and yeah, it's actually saved the script PowerShell attack.txt. Okay, let's take a look on the file. So this is the PowerShell command to be run in the Windows machine. So let's actually copy it, but let's change the file type to PowerShell underscore attack.bat, so because it will, so that we can actually convert the BAT script to a exe file. So let's copy it. Okay, let's get back to our Windows machine. So as you can see here in shared folders, okay, I'll be deleting these files. These are the previous files. Okay, forget about it. It's hanging. Okay, small icons. Okay, let me delete this first. Alright, okay, so as you can see, we have this file called Powershell underscore attack. So let's convert the PAT file to an exe format. So I have installed the tool. If you really want to install the tool, you just get git clone it, then unzip it and install the exe file. So it's a path to exe converter. Okay, so it loads like this. So what you do is you open the PAT file, and it literally loads the PowerShell command in this particular site. So as you can see here, this is the command run in PowerShell, and at this part we want to check icon so that we can actually spoof this document saying that it's a Word document. Okay, before that, if you noticed, okay, sorry, it's under Windows 256 and mime type. As you can see, it's in a PNG format. Okay, let's say you go online, you can actually go to this website or any converting website. You can convert PNG to ICO. Windows uses ICO to actually represent the icon of the applications. So I have already converted the PNG file to ICO. So I'm going to select this. Password, we do not need a password. Exe format, yes, this is really important. Okay, let's say this system runs on a 64-bit architecture, and the difference between console and Windows. Console, it actually starts up PowerShell, and it literally shows the user that you are actually attacking him by making the CMD or PowerShell terminal to appear in front of the computer, which is what we don't actually want. So we are going to make Windows invisible. So what happens is that the script runs in the background without the user knowing. Okay, so we'll be using request administrator privileges so that we do not actually require the user to click run as administrator. As long as the user double clicks the application actually will run as an administrator. So we check this, and that's all. So let's convert it. Okay, let's convert it. Okay, let's give a name. Okay, let's see. Okay, the most popular game now is Minecraft. Okay, let's say Minecraft server. Okay, Minecraft install. Okay, let's say Minecraft installed. Okay, let's save it, and as you can see here, it should have a document say Minecraft install. Okay, as you can see here, you would think every Word document has an extension called .doc, which is document. So let's rename it to .doc. So literally when a victim sees this specific file, he will actually know that this is a Word document or something. Okay, let's set up our Metasploit. Okay, so let's see the options. Okay, if you know, let's take a look at the PowerShell. Actually, when you run Unicode, you'll be given two files, which is the PowerShell attack.txt and the RC file. The RC file is literally just an external file to be loaded in Metasploit so that it automates to set the variables automatically for you. So these are the variables you need to set up. Okay, I already set it up. Okay, so let's port 443 and set payload fin. You can just copy it. I'm too lazy. Okay, so just copy it and let's run. As you can see, it has actually started an handler. Okay, and okay, that's a mistake. there's a process running in the background. Okay, so let me just kill every process that runs in the background. Control Shift delete, or task manager maybe. Task manager. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Yeah, this is the one. So let's kill this. You can actually detect a file name which is created by Metasploit. It's a random file. So run it, and as you can see, it's running a reverse handler on this link. Okay, so let's go and execute our document. So, and as you can see, it's just asking, okay. Another thing, as you can see here, it is actually written that .doc.exe. We wanna avoid this because as when the victim actually goes through it, he will actually know that that's an exe file. So what we want to know is we need to inject Unicode. Okay, so this website, Unicode, right to left override. So what it does is actually it shifts the extension back and forth so that the exe comes in front and the .doc comes at the back. So let's do this. Let's rename it. Okay, I don't know what happens. It's really okay. It's freezing up. Just give me a minute. I'm sorry for this really bad setup. Oh my god. Is it crashing? Shit. Okay, I guess it just restarted. Let's just restart our VM. Okay, let's just restart it. Just wait it to restart. Well, as I was telling, this overrides the extension from right to left. So let's just wait for it to start. Okay, Windows problems. Let's just wait for the VM to start back. Okay, anytime now. And okay, let's see what else. Okay, I think it's starting up. Hello. Oh god, come on, be quick. Okay, we are back. Okay, let's get back to our document, our script. So it's in chat folder. Let's get back to chat. Let's get back to chat. Okay, so as you can see our document here, Minecraft install.document. Okay, let's actually run this, and as you can see, it still has the .exe. Okay, let's rename it to, okay, we have to be creative here. Let's see, how do we actually create? Okay, that's not right. Let's change this to COD so that it comes DOC at the back. No. Okay, Microsoft install. Okay, maybe we just have to enter it back. Okay, let's see what happens here. Code.exe, code.exe.exe. Okay, that's not what we want. Okay, rename it. DOC. DOC.exe. Okay, we want that exe stuff coming in front. So we want Minecraft install .exe, okay, and rename it to .doc. Okay, is it like this? I guess. Okay, so let's just, oh god, COD. Okay, let's try this and see. Yeah, Minecraft install.exe.doc. So when a victim sees this, he'll say, oh, it's doc file. Okay, let's run it. And let's wait for shell. Hopefully our IP didn't actually change. Yep, our IP haven't changed yet. Yeah, and we have Metasploit shell. So let's see, where am I? Get UID. I'm the user. So let's say you want administrator privilege on this. So you run PS as the victim actually run it as administrator. So you can see here anti-authority /system. So it's actually the administrator of the system. So you just migrate to the service where the system is running as. So we just migrate to that specific process. Okay, so migrate. Okay, so let's see what am I running as, and I'm anti-authority system. So as anti-authority system, I can actually get system and dump my hash, and I can see some hashes. If I crack it, I actually can get access to this specific operating system. So I think that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and you guys know how to actually do this specific social engineering plus Powershell attack on victims, and this is also for legal purposes only, for penetration testers and not for attackers. Hope you guys enjoyed my video and subscribe for more upcoming videos on my channel. Good luck.